Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to hide tags in WordPress post. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your web browser and going to the WordPress website. Once you're logged in, head to the Posts section at the left side, where all your published and draft posts are listed. Choose the post you want to modify and click on the option to edit it. This will open the main post editor where you can adjust different parts of your content. After entering the editor, scroll down slightly and look at the right-hand side where the settings panel is located. Here you'll find various post-related options, including the section where tags are displayed. In the tags area, you'll see all the tags currently assigned to that post. If you want a cleaner layout, simply remove all the existing tags by deleting each entry in the tags field. Once the tags are cleared, save your changes by clicking the Update or Save button. This ensures the post is updated correctly and the tags will no longer appear on the front end of your website. After saving, it's always good to quickly recheck your post to make sure everything has updated properly, and that's it. So that is how you can hide tags in WordPress posts. So that's all for this video. Thanks.